Today in my YouTube video, we're going to be installing downhill forks, installing hookworms, and reviewing AliExpress items. Enjoy the video. This is my first item to show you guys. This is my Sur-Ron plate for my downhill forks, and it just cleans it up, and it was like 15 bucks off AliExpress. I highly recommend this. It was so easy to install and all that, like, you should buy this. Second item is a mountain bike stem. I got it just to clean it up, and my old one was all scratched and yuck. This is such a good product, but it just doesn't fit my e-bike. I would highly recommend it if you have the right size. The third item is a Surron seat cover. I got it to make it look cleaner and nicer to ride. I would not recommend this item at all. It is so bad quality, has no grip, nothing. Do not buy it. The fourth item is a switch button. Whenever I activate it, it only goes 25. I forgot to install it, but it probably wouldn't work. I'll install it on my 1500 watt build. It's coming soon also. And the last item is brake lever grip. I got this for like $1. Just makes the bars feel way nicer and easier to do wheelies. I 100% recommend this. It is the best thing I ever bought. Everyone should have this on their e-bikes or just mountain bikes. It's so comfy to brake and do wheelies. Just it's so cheap too. There is all my AliExpress items. All of these items will be linked in the description. The best part is installing the downhill forks. I will be making a longer video of how to install downhill forks. When you're installing the forks, you must use this. Now, I need to show you guys the end result.
Say when we come through, better get out the way, cause all lucked up and he beat his case. Marlboro ready to kill, shorty ass just waiting around for the okay. Shoulda get gay quick, we'll shoot blunts, catch a shot.
Hope you guys liked the video. Subscribe and like the video too. And by the way, none of the fudging AliExpress items fitted my e-bike, so I'm pissed off about that. That was $80, so don't buy from AliExpress.